Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we would like to present our research with the title The Effect of Using Sawdust as Mixture of Concrete Pipe on the Water Absorption and Compressive Strength. This research conducted by me, Ayende, and my colleague, Mr. Hernawan Novianto. We are a lecturer working for Department of Mechanical Engineering of Refinery, Polytechnic of Energy and Mineral Akamigas, Ministry of Energy and Mineral Resources. Ladies and gentlemen, in this presentation, we will share from the introductions, objective, method, result and discussion, and then conclusions. Introductions. Ladies and gentlemen, concrete pipe is a material that can be used as a ballast in an underwater oil and gas pipeline system. Sawdust is one of the waste material from sawmills in the furniture industry, which can be used as a mixture of concrete pipe. Utilization of sawdust from sawmills in the furniture industry as a mixture of concrete pipe has the potential to increase the added value of sawdust. Objective. In our research, we have an objective to conduct a study on the use of sawdust as a mixture of concrete pipe. And then the second one, analyzing the impact of adding sawdust as a mixture of concrete pipe on water absorption and compressive strength. Method. In this research, we using a mixture component from 5% sawdust, 10% sawdust, 15% sawdust, and then 20% sawdust. The test method with the parameter density, we are using test method based on the ASTM C642 standard test method for density, absorption, and points in hardened concrete. On the parameter water absorption, we also using ASTM C642 standard test method for density, absorption, and points in hardened concrete. On the compressive strength parameter, we are using ASTM C39 standard test method for compressive strength of cylindrical concrete specimens. Result and discussions. Ladies and gentlemen, from the mixture composition of 5% sawdust, 10% sawdust, 15% sawdust, and 20% sawdust, with the certain specimen code, we get an average specimen density with the tendency decreasing. On the water absorption tendency, the value with the increasing of percentage sawdust will increasing the water absorption. On the compressive strength test, we conducted 2 curing time, 7 days and 40 days. On the 7 days, the tendency of the compressive strength from 5%, 10%, 15%, and 20%, it will decreasing with compressive strength. This phenomenon also applied on the 14 days compressive strength test. From the table that we already showing, the addition of percentage of sawdust increasing the water absorption value of the concrete pipe, and the addition of the percentage of sawdust reduce the compressive strength value of the concrete pipe. And then the increase in water absorption value shows that the volume of permeable pore space is enlarging, making it easier for water to enter the concrete pipe mixture. Conclusions. From our research, we can conclude that sawdust can be used as a mixture of concrete pipe in accordance with the need of the desired load. The addition of sawdust will increase water absorption and reduce the compressive strength of the concrete pipe. And the last one, the use of sawdust as a mixture of concrete pipes can increase the added value of sawdust. That's all of our presentations. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.